You won't believe which country is set to overtake an economic titan in 2026. The shift in global financial power is happening faster than you think. Number 25, Sweden, $712 billion. Number 24, Ireland, $750 billion. Number 23, Belgium, $761 billion. Number 22, Taiwan, $971 billion. Number 21, Switzerland, $1,075 billion. Number 20, Poland, $1,110 billion. Number 19, Saudi Arabia, $1,316 billion. Number 18, Netherlands, $1,413 billion. Number 17, Indonesia, $1,550 billion. Number 16, Turkey, $1,576 billion. Number 15, South Korea, $1,937 billion. Number 14, Australia, $1,948 billion. Number 13, Mexico, $2,031 billion. Number 12, Spain, $2,042 billion. Number 11, Brazil, $2,293 billion. Number 10, Canada, $2,421 billion. Number 9, Russia, $2,509 billion. Number 8, Italy, $2,702 billion. Number 7, France, $3,559 billion. Number 6, United Kingdom, $4,226 billion. Number 5, Japan, $4,464 billion. Number 4, India, $4,506 billion. Number 3, Germany, $5,328 billion. Number 2, China, $20,651 billion. Number 1, United States, $31,821 billion.